Hello guys, my name is Susan and welcome back to my YouTube channel where I enlighten you on what is happening. Now if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe, and for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back and showing us the love. Now, a man has shared a chilling video of how a would-be random ride across the Nairobi Central Business District, that is CBD, ended in tears.
Shuka chini. Nikuelewana, shuka chini kwa. Shuka chini boss, shuka chini.
Hata ashachukua hata funguo.
Ona,
tuko na evidence, tushapiga picha. Sini namba plate yako tunatuma tu online huko na bukio unaenda unalipa shughuli yetu. Sawa? Tuna ubaya na
boda boda.
Tuna ubaya na hata kidogo. Ni kazi tu.
Naitikia na. Sasa niweke neutral basi. Oya boss, hai. Oya. Oya pana ifai hivyo.
To the city hall. That, as it would come to dawn on him, would be his final seconds of seeing his beloved Superbike. A few yards ahead, one of the men cranks the bike and rides away, leaving the victim confused as his accomplices disappeared into the crowd. He shot the video as a warning to other riders to be careful, as there seems to be a gang of motorbike thieves operating under the disguise of city council officers. It is hoped that the individual will be apprehended, given that their faces were caught on the video. Now, keep your eyes open in these streets of Nairobi. Thank you so much for always listening to these interesting stories, and again, even you here, do not forget to subscribe. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much. Again, do not forget to share, to like, and to comment. Bye bye.